Friends, I have just bought this Insta360 8K 360 camera, and I bought this by my own money, and this is not the sponsored video. I am just going to make a video for unboxing for now, and then I'll be making another video to how to use it and what settings you need to do. But first, let's go with the unboxing of this camera. I just got it, and let me open it. Let me put this aside, and here we are going to open our box. It's a very secure packing. Okay, so we will leave it aside here. And inside the box, you can see I have ordered this creator combo, I think. And in this box, I can see there is a magic selfie stick. This is invisible selfie stick, and oh, just need to pull it. Okay, so it's the normal size, like almost 3 feet or 4.5 feet. So let it be here, and then we have this box. It says think bold. So let me open it, and what's inside. The most important thing, silica gel. If you have 3D printer, you know that what is this. And then I can open this. And here you can see the Insta360 stickers, other documents, and these are very important documents which you not gonna read. And there's a pouch. So here you can see this nice little pouch, and inside this pouch we have some more items. So okay, so this is USB-C to C charger, and then we have this cleaner cloth. And then as I told you that I have ordered the creator combo, so I have this separate spare battery and a charger. So here you can see very sleek and very small battery charger, and inside this battery charger you can see there is a spare battery here. So this is the spare battery, and I think this is the bigger than the not in the size, but in the capacity it's bigger than the X5 battery. So this is a 2600 mAh battery, and this is the spare battery, and the one battery will be with your Insta360 X6. So let me open this, and here you can see this camera, and this is a lens protector. So this is your lens protector. It's very I mean, it's very soft, but it protects your lens. And let me pull this up. So here your lens, and if you have X5, so you can easily see that it's this one is very small in size, but the wider one, and the lens size is also bigger than X5. So here you can see, and on the sides there is a record button, and they have removed the buttons from here, so that's why it's small in the size. And this time they have the battery compartment. You have to press this button and slide it, and then you can easily remove the battery, and there is another battery here. And the second good thing is that you don't need to take out the battery if you want to install the SD card. And the third major thing is that it has internal memory of 47 GB, so you don't need to worry about if you forgot your SD card. You can still record your 4K videos internally. And on bottom it has this magnetic connectors. On the sides here you have this USB-C. Okay, not on this side. This side you have USB-C charging cable. So here's this USB-C connector, and you can also use it. And here I think there is a mic. So here I need to remove this, and here you can see this is the mic, and this is your main screen. Let me turn it on and we will see. Okay, I think I need to install the firmware, updated firmware, and before that I need to download Insta360, but I already have it. So let me connect it. Okay, it's going to connect now. So here you can see it says connect, and I am now going to connect my Insta360, and it says confirm on your device. So I'm going to confirm, and new firmware is found. So I will install this new firmware. It will take some time, but by then this is what we have in this box. So this is my unboxing video, and oh, it's done actually. Okay, it's still downloading some more. So anyway, so if you like my video, and if you need some more videos how to use it, and what settings you need to do, please comment, and I will make another video. And tomorrow morning I'll be making some interesting videos using it in my cycle, and we'll come back again. And if you like my video, please hit the like button. Thank you.